Good afternoon. Today we are 1 week away from the Nakamoto release, which is great news for the community. So hopefully next time we release an update, we will discuss speed issues, fast block issues, and we will be talking about the improvements in the ecosystem. So for today, I will give you an update on the latest news of our DAO, improvements in the protocol, and improvements that are related to stacks. So Bifari was admitted in the Google for Startups program. That means that we're gonna get some cloud credits, roughly close to $200,000. So that will help us in the next couple of years to deploy more servers and ship more features, run more services without having to fundraise so much. So that's some good news to restart this presentation. In terms of Nakamoto, as you know, the latest release of Stacks is called Nakamoto. Since Stacks has been building so much, the market cap has now surpassed that of Polygon. So now the biggest Bitcoin L2 is bigger than the biggest Ethereum L2, which is certainly nice. The release got delayed again. It was supposed to ship on October 10th, but what is going to happen on October 10th is that we're going to have another testnet trial. As you know, Bifari was involved in doing some testing for the Nakamoto release for SBTC last year. So we remain active contributors in the ecosystem, although we are a multi-chain project. Now, in terms of this release candidate that was tested today, everything is going according to plan. And instead of releasing the program, the update, the hard fork, um, next week, it will be further delayed some days so that the testing team can complete their testing. The updated timeline is as follows. Um, Testing completed on September 27. The new hard fork block will be announced on October 10th. A previous blog was announced, and we sort of gave that information in our latest update, in our previous update. But now the new hard forking block will be announced on October 10th. So probably this is something that will happen in the second or third week of October, the change to Nakamoto. Now, in terms of changes that you need to make in order to work with the latest version of Stacks, if you're an end user, you don't need to make any changes. But if you are a developer or miner, you need to update your systems. And here at Bifari, we have done our fair share of updates to make sure that everything works fine with Nakamoto. So our code is compatible with Nakamoto. We're looking at upcoming swaps between FARI and SBTC, and we're going to enable SBTC to place ads. Further down the line, will be able to place ads with BTC, and then we will change that to SBTC and then to FARI so that you can place ads using only Bitcoin, and then we will do the swaps behind curtains. Everything was updated to work with Ledger Wallet, and we have been listed in additional directories from the Stacks Foundation and other Stacks websites. So that's all that is good. We are in the process of onboarding more ambassadors to help with Nakamoto, and we want to make some videos to educate people how to use Nakamoto. That includes updating videos from videos that used to mention the Hero wallet, show those videos with the Ledger wallet and with the Unisat wallet. Videos used to take so long for the refresh time. They will show fast blocks so that people realize that they are using the latest iteration of the blockchain and that they have an updated video with updated information. Because right now, most of our videos are updated due to the fact that they were made using the Hero wallet and slow confirmation times. So right after Nakamoto, we're gonna debut 5 to 10 second transactions, both on the digital land and art placement. We're gonna release the full catalog of digital land properties. So this will not be only like 200,000 properties, but it will be billions of properties, the entire globe, and you will be able to pay using Faris and SBTC. Also, the ad revenue that we get from the digital land and also placing ads on billboards will be connected to decentralized DEXs, which is something that has been pending for a long time. Now, in order to do that, we had to incorporate a company in Singapore, and that incorporation allows us to use tokens in different ways and also provide some yield to token holders. So a while back, so right after Nakamoto, we're gonna have this. So this will happen, within a day or two after Nakamoto, and this will happen within some weeks after Nakamoto. We're gonna release Fari working with Unisat, then some bridges, and then we're gonna be able to bridge digital and ordinals. So this will be in our next release. Now, in terms of community tabs for Nakamoto, we're gonna direct ambassadors to help our user base upload to the letter wallet, review the BNS names, domain names on the stacks. These domain names got an upgrade recently, so now we are talking about BNS2. So some things will change with BNS2. We want to make some videos. We want to educate the community so that people can use the domain names, and also so that people can learn how to send tokens and Bitcoin and crypto to the new domain names. We also want users to review the digital line just to make sure that everything works. We want miners to install the latest version of the system so that they are working on the most current hard fork. We have 3 new apps coming. First one will be S4 by Strobo, and then S will ship later. Maybe S chips next year, this will chip this year, and this will probably chip by the end of this year. We have some new partnerships that we are working on, which are very exciting partnerships. We are going to heavily focus on insurance after we focus on legal customers, and this will be to focus on insurance agents that want to market their practices with Bifari will be able to do so. We also have been nominated again for the Startup of the Year award, so we will do an announcement so that we participate in this HackerNoon competition and win a better prize this year than we won last year. So that is what's up with Bifari in October. We are eagerly awaiting the Nakamoto release. We have updated our systems to work well with the Stacks hard fork. We keep doing everything. We keep raising money, we keep building, we keep updating, we keep marketing, and we keep winning awards. So it's good to know that we have been able to keep this momentum. We are very close to experience an inflection point where more people will discover stacks, come into our application, use our system, and discover to what we have in store for them. So um, we are very excited about the days and months ahead. Thank you for your attention, and remember to always bring life to your location.